Tired of struggling with ice that's too chunky or hard to use? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. The Manba Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine. The Manba Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine caught my eye right away, especially with its price tag of just $18.04. It's compact and portable, making it ideal for summer outings or even just at home. If you want fluffy, snow-like ice without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Now let me tell you why this product is a great choice for you. First off, it boasts 18 by 8 stainless steel blades that are not only sharp but also rust-proof, ensuring durability for years to come. The 3-blade design means it shaves ice quickly and efficiently, so you won't be left waiting for your cold treats. It's also easy to clean and portable, which is perfect if you like to host parties or enjoy ice outside. Plus, it comes with a silicone ice cube tray that makes 15 perfect cubes, so you can whip up slushies, margaritas, or any other fun drink with ease. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for convenience and enjoyment during hot days, this makes it super easy. Now, some people complained about the manual operation being a bit tiring, especially when compared to electric machines. Here's the thing though, if you're just making ice for a few friends or family members, the effort is worth it for those perfect snow cones. If you're serving a crowd though, you might want something more automated. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, portable ice shaver without complicated features. Skip this one if you need to serve a large group quickly, but for backyard barbecues or family fun, it's a steal. Now, if the manual operation of the Manba bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its electric capabilities. Product number 2. The Respring Snow Cone Machine. The Respring Snow Cone Machine, priced at $56.95. It caught my attention because it promises to produce large quantities of fluffy snow ice quickly, which is perfect for big families or parties. If you want a powerful machine that makes snow cones effortlessly, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this product stands out. It features a high-speed motor that can produce up to 143 pounds of snow ice per hour. That means in just a few minutes, you can have enough to satisfy everyone at a party. The blades are made from food-grade stainless steel, ensuring safety and hygiene while you enjoy your treats. Plus, it comes with an ice pick and a tray for making ice, which is a nice bonus. The user-friendly design means you can just plug it in, fill it with ice, and let it do the work, no complicated steps involved. This matters to you because when you're hosting, the last thing you want to be doing is stuck making ice instead of enjoying time with your guests. However, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy. I'll be real with you. If you want a quiet operation, this might not be the best choice for you. But if you're okay with a little noise for the sake of convenience, it's a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you love hosting gatherings and want a reliable machine that can keep up with demand. Skip this one if you're looking for something quieter, but when it comes to value for money, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more hands-on approach. Product number 3. Glacio Ice Mallet Set. The Glacio Ice Mallet and Lewis Bag Set is a unique offering at $24.99 that caught my attention for its DIY approach to ice crushing. If you want to get hands-on and enjoy the process of making your cocktails, this is worth checking out. So here's why this product might be right for you. It comes with a heavy-duty canvas bag that you fill with ice cubes, and then you use the beechwood mallet to crush them into the perfect texture for cocktails. It's all about the experience. Having crushed ice makes a huge difference in drinks like mint juleps or mojitos. The double reinforced stitching on the bag means you won't have to worry about it ripping, and the sturdy hammer ensures you can crush through even the toughest ice. This matters for you because it brings that bar-quality experience right to your home, enhancing your cocktail game. Now, some people might find it a bit tedious to crush the ice manually, especially if you're used to machines. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy making cocktails and want to get a bit more involved in the process, this can be a fun and rewarding experience. This is perfect for you if you love crafting cocktails and enjoy the hands-on process of mixing drinks. Skip this one if you want fast, easy ice on the fly, but for cocktail enthusiasts, this is a great addition to your bar tools. Now, if you prefer electric options over manual labor, the next product is just what you need. Product number 4, Hermave Electric Ice Shaver. The Hermave Dual Blade Electric Ice Shaver Machine is priced at $54.32 and offers powerful performance for home and commercial use. It really impressed me because it's designed for serious ice lovers who need consistent results. If you want a reliable electric ice shaver that delivers, this one is definitely worth considering. Here's why this product stands out. It features a dual blade system powered by a 300-watt motor that can shave up to 178 pounds of ice per hour. That's an insane amount. When you're throwing a party or just want to whip up desserts, this machine delivers fluffy, snow-like results that are perfect for a variety of recipes. The built-in safety features, like the trip switch that stops the blades when the hopper is opened, ensure that you can use it without worry. This matters for you because safety should always come first, especially when dealing with powerful machinery. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky and takes up counter space. Honestly, if you have a small kitchen, this might be a concern for you, but for those who have the room, the performance makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you have space and want a high-capacity ice shaver that can keep up with demand. Skip this one if you're short on space, but for serious ice enthusiasts, it's definitely a winner. Alright, that was a powerful option, but the last product on my list is perfect for those who just want something super easy and fun to use. Product number 5, Dash Deluxe Shaved Ice Maker. We have the Dash Deluxe Shaved Ice and Slushy Maker, which is priced at $39.99. This one caught my eye for its user-friendly design and versatility. If you want a fun and easy way to make all your favorite frozen treats, this is the one to check out. Here's why this product shines. It can make snow cones, slushies, and even cocktails, with adjustable blades to choose your preferred coarseness. It comes with a serving pitcher and a recipe guide, so you're all set for a fun day of making treats. The compact design makes it easy to store, and its suction feet ensure stability when you're using it. This matters for you because if you want convenience and a variety of options, this machine delivers. Now, some users noted that it's primarily plastic, which might not feel as durable as metal machines. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something super heavy-duty, this might not be it. But for casual home use, it's definitely up to the task. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, easy-to-use machine for family gatherings or casual get-togethers. Skip this one if you need something industrial grade, but for everyday use, it offers great value. Now, let's wrap up everything we've covered.
So, to recap, we had the Mamba Ice Shaver for budget-friendly fun, the Respring for big families needing quick results, the Glacio set for DIY cocktail enthusiasts, the Hermove for high-capacity needs, and the Dash for fun and ease at home. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Respring because it balances power and ease of use, making it perfect for gatherings. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Glacio set if you're looking for something that produces ice quickly. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.